Hey guys, so we have here our Canon Pixma printer slash scanner, and in this video we want to show you how to create a double-sided copy from an already existing double-sided copy. So because there's no way to use the feeder because it's not able to flip the pages, we have to do a manual scan. So we have to put the pages here on the scanner manually. So you see we have here this example side A and side B on one sheet. We're going to start out with the first side, so this is side A. We're going to put this right down on the scanner. You can also see how we're aligning this on the left side of the scanner here. And then we're going to the menu, so we're going to press OK. Going to copy settings. And move down to the others. And here we see right now one-sided. We're going to say two-sided. We're just going to select OK. And then we can go back all the way to the main menu. We don't have to do that, but we can. And now we're going to press Start to scan the first page. And as soon as this part is completed, then we're going to open up the scanner again, and then we can flip the page around to the second page. So in this case here, side B. If you have a different or two separate pieces of paper, then you can do it in the same way, of course. So now we're going to go again to the display, and we're just going to select scan, just going to select OK, so then it's going to scan the second page, and since it does have two pages now already scanned, it's going to copy these or print these two pages now on one sheet of paper on two sides. So this is going to be fully automatic. We don't have to flip the pages manually. It's just going to print it for us. When it comes out the first time, then better don't touch the piece of paper. It's going to pull it back in and turn the page around. So make sure not to do anything until the copy is really completed. And now we can see here, after the print is completed, we have now our exact copy here, side B and side A. And that was already it for this video. Hope you found the information helpful. If you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.